Is X Empire scam? Hey everyone! Exciting news today about the X Empire coin airdrop, but there are some serious concerns you need to know about. Airdrop overview. The X Empire coin airdrop has raised alarm bells in the crypto community, leading many to suspect it could be a scam. Before diving deeper, I'm your friend, Crypto Hook, and I have a free giveaway for you. To participate, just watch the entire video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. In the comments, tell me why you want some dollars. Once we hit 300 likes on this video, I'll randomly give away at least $60 to one lucky viewer. Let's jump into the details. The airdrop structure. Participants need to pay a fee of 0.5 TON, around 2.6 USDT, to enter the airdrop. In return, they receive 35,260,000 X points, which only holds a market value of about 0.2 to 0.5 USDT. This significant discrepancy raises red flags about the legitimacy of the airdrop. Why it's suspicious? In the crypto world, airdrops are typically designed to promote new tokens and foster community engagement. Participants usually receive tokens for free or at a minimal cost. Here's why the X Empire airdrop looks suspicious. High fees. Genuine airdrops don't usually require hefty upfront payments. The 0.5 TON fee far exceeds the potential reward, making it a bad deal for participants. Low reward value. The offered reward, 35,260,000 X points, is worth only a fraction of the 2.6 USDT fee. This imbalance suggests the project may be more interested in profiting from participants than actually promoting the token. Lack of transparency. Legitimate projects provide clear information about their tokenomics and distribution. The vague details surrounding X Empire coin, combined with the low reward, make this project seem questionable. Protecting yourself from airdrop scams. Airdrop scams are becoming increasingly common. Here are some tips to help you stay safe. Research the project. Always look for credible information, including white papers, team details, and community feedback. If the project lacks transparency, be cautious. Evaluate costs. Genuine airdrops typically require little to no fees. Be wary of any project demanding significant payments for participation. Verify token value. Check the token's value on trusted platforms like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. If the rewards don't match the fees, it's a warning sign. Community feedback. Engage with crypto communities on platforms like Reddit, Telegram, and Twitter. Learn from the experiences of others who may have encountered similar scams. The X Empire coin airdrop raises significant red flags due to its high fees and low rewards. It appears to be a potential scam aimed at tricking participants into paying substantial fees for minimal returns. Always exercise caution and remember that legitimate airdrops don't seek to profit from participants. They reward early supporters and help grow communities. Stay vigilant, do your research, and keep in mind that if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the Crypto Hook channel, and share your thoughts on the X Empire airdrop in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.